Is that delicious street food really safe to eat? Every year, millions savor the unique flavors offered by street vendors, but not all experiences end on a savory note. Sometimes the consequence can be food poisoning, a risk that lurks in the shadows of improperly handled cuisine. Food poisoning, also known as foodborne illness, occurs when one consumes foods contaminated with harmful bacteria, viruses, or parasites. It's an invisible threat that can turn a delightful meal into a health nightmare. Common culprits include bacteria like Salmonella, E. coli, and Listeria, or viruses such as norovirus. The journey of food from the kitchen to your plate is fraught with potential points of contamination. It could begin with raw ingredients being exposed to harmful substances, or arise from inadequate cooking, improper food handling, or unsanitary storage conditions. Even the hands of an ill food handler can transmit sickness. Symptoms of food poisoning can appear within hours to days after consuming tainted food and vary in severity. Common signs include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal cramps, and fever. These symptoms can last from a few hours to several days, challenging the body's comfort and health. Prevention is pivotal. Ensuring food safety involves selecting food from reputable sources and observing how it's handled. Food should be kept clean, separated to avoid cross-contamination, cooked to the right temperature, and stored properly. It's crucial to watch for signs of good hygiene practices by food vendors. In conclusion, while street food offers a palette of exquisite flavors, it comes with the responsibility of cautious consumption. Understanding what food poisoning is, recognizing its symptoms, and taking preventive measures can drastically reduce the risks associated with it. Always prioritize safety to ensure that every meal remains a pleasure, not a peril.